Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on a Buick Lacrosse. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine off. This guide will walk you through the steps using your car's dashboard controls. It's important to reset the oil life monitor after each oil change to ensure accurate tracking of your engine's maintenance schedule. Let's get started with the ignition and display setup. To begin, turn your ignition to the run position, but do not start the engine. You'll see various lights illuminate on your dashboard. Next, use the menu or arrow buttons, typically found on your steering wheel or wiper stalk, to navigate through the driver information center. Scroll until you find the oil life remaining display. This screen shows the current percentage of your engine oil's life, which should be reset to 100% after a fresh oil change. Once the oil life remaining is displayed, press and hold the SET/CLR or check button. The exact button may vary slightly depending on your specific Buick Lacrosse model. Hold the button until the display asks you to confirm the reset. Select Yes if prompted, then press the button again. The oil life percentage should then change to 100%, indicating a successful reset. You can now turn off your ignition. Performing regular oil changes is one of the most important maintenance tasks for your Buick Lacrosse, ensuring engine longevity and optimal performance. If you encounter any issues or the reset doesn't take, simply repeat the steps, paying close attention to the button presses and display prompts. You can also consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions. Remember to check the description below for a link to this book and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.